Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to give an access to someone else to handle for your business, response messages, say insight and rest of them all. My name is Augustine from Octec Digital. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more easy tutorial like this. Let us get started. Your Facebook page, then at the bottom you will see menu. Go ahead and click on menu. You are going to see professional dashboard. Click dashboard. Once you have done that and you are here, simply scroll down. You are going to see tools. Click on tools, then scroll down. You are going to see page access. Click on page access. You are going to see people with Facebook access. Go ahead and click on add new, then click next, then enter the name of the person you want to give access to your page. Once you select the person's name, then you are going to see an option based on the role this person is going to manage here. Once you enable this here, you are giving the person a full control to manage your Facebook business page, which giving someone a full access to manage your Facebook page, you need to know that this person has a full control and can give access to other people, remove anyone from the page, including yourself, and even delete the page. So for me, it is not recommended to give someone full access to your Facebook page if the person is working for you, right? Just simply give them some tax access for them to manage for you. I'm going to go ahead to enable this one, disable this. Now go back here, then cancel this. Here is the tax access you can give to someone for who you want him to manage your Facebook business page for you. Then I'll go ahead to click on add new. Go ahead and click on next. Here I'm going to enter the name of the person I want to give access to here. Then I'll go ahead to click this name. Here I'm going to give a role for this person to manage as a business owner. This part is where it is, because once you can go ahead and select the particular task you want this person to carry on this page. You want the person to carry only insights, you go ahead to enable it, right? If you want the person to be running ad for you, manage it for you and everything, you go ahead to enable this as well. So depending on the access you want this person to do for you, you just go ahead and enable those one. In this case, I want this person to only manage the insights, where he will be able to see how the page and content and ads perform, right? And the person can give me a report at the end of the campaign to let me know how this campaign performed very well. Here the second one is ads. This person will be able to create, manage and delete ads for the page. Do you get? So that is it. Then I'll go ahead and give this person this to access. Then put in the password, your login password. Then click on confirm. After doing that, you are going to receive a code via your email. Let me navigate to the email and receive that code. Here is the code. I'll go ahead and click on the code, then highlight it, copy, go back to my Facebook, then paste in that code Facebook just sent to me. Click on continue. I'll have to go ahead and click on confirm. So I've given this person an access, but this person will have to receive an email or invitation via their own email that I've given them access for them to take charge of the insight and ask for them. Now I can still go ahead and give other people access depending on the number of people I want to give access to my Facebook page for my business. Then I'll have to go ahead and select another name I want to give access. Let me say I want to give this person access, this particular name. Then I will say this person will be the one to be in charge of the content, community activities and core. I'll go ahead and enable that. So once I enable that, the person have access to this 3 automatically, right? So that is it. Give this person an access, then enter my password information like the way we did the previous one. then I'll just go ahead and click on confirm. So this person has been invited for them to manage this access. So this is how it was to give access to people. So that is how to give access to people to manage your Facebook page. Don't forget, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel as a support, and leave a comment in the comment section where you find this video more interesting. And don't forget, I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you.